you can see it's raining pretty aggressively in Tokyo. It is rain season, which is June and July. Don't quote me on that, I think that's right. So we have had a lot of thunderstorms and lightning, and it's been amazing. And I thought I'd use this opportunity. It's nighttime, it's raining, the streets are glistening. Tokyo looks beautiful as it is at night, but this just looks exceptional. I really mean it. So I am going to take advantage of the rain. It is pretty late, but gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, I'm gonna take you with me and show you about. like I've got some really good videos, so after I've edited them, I will be happy to share. And I'm sorry about the sound quality. I really need to purchase a microphone, but then it should be okay after that. Okay, so there you have it. That was Tokyo. I feel like I got some great videos and it was absolutely beautiful at night. Absolutely stunning. And I'm really happy that I actually went out even though it was so late, because I feel like it was so peaceful as well. Just nice to calm down Friday evening, watch people and just enjoy the atmosphere. So yeah, if you're visiting Tokyo or if you already live in Japan, I would say definitely go to the city, take some shots at night when it's raining. I mean, it's not a new trick. I know it's a good old trick, but I just think there's something about the fluorescent lights in Tokyo. So I guess the next time I should take some maybe in Shinjuku area, Ginza. There'll be some nice areas to get some shots. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.